Today's question is to write a program to input and print the value and address of an integer variable using C in Pointer. Let's start the program by writing the basic syntax of C. Hash include stdio.h has include conio.h void main clear screen and get ch. Let's declare the variable which is int pointer equal to pnr. pnr is a pointer that stores the address of number, and int n. pnr is a pointer that stores the address of number. Printf enter value. Scanf %d and n. pnr equal to and n, which gives the memory address of number. Printf the value of integer is %d. Pointer pnr differentiates the pointer to get the value of number. Printf /n the address of an integer is %p to print the address. And pointer pnr and let's see the output.